Often asked how to get rid of sinus infection, whether it's the congestion, the headache, the sinus pressure, the runny nose, the sore throat, the itchy eyes. How does the natural remedy get rid of that fast? And I'm going to show you now with the help of a bit of paper and a pen. Just watch this. This is exactly how to get rid of your sinus infection. So here you can see is a rough drawing of your head, but it's good enough to show you exactly what's happening and how you can get rid of a sinus infection. The thing is, when you're breathing in through your nose or breathing in through your mouth, the air that you breathe contains yeast, molds, bacteria, viruses, and it goes in to your head. Now, if you've got a weak immune system, or you're slightly feeling under the weather, or you're tired, or you're exhausted, or whatever, these parasites start to breed inside your head. Now, if we could represent that, if you could imagine each one of these iron filings being like a parasite breeding in your head. They are living organisms making up home, living inside your head. Now they're breeding in there, it's moist, there's lots of food, it's dark and it's safe. So how do you get rid of it? If you use powerful drugs, it'll knock them out for a day or two, but it doesn't help your immune system to get strong again. So these things move back in. This is why you've got a sinus infection over and over and over again. So how do we get rid of your sinus infection quickly? And this is how we do it. We put together a combination of very powerful natural antibiotics and antifungal plant extracts. That's the first thing. And here they are. I'm representing them with these small magnets here. As you breathe them in, you're going to breathe tiny, tiny particles, tiny droplets of these plant extract and homeopathic remedies into your sinuses. You're going to breathe them in. Now, there's 3 different sorts of antibacterials. Cinnamon, thyme and clove. 3 different sorts. You're going to breathe them in and it's going to kill off these parasites on contact. Okay? So then you breathe them in, they kill them off on contact, and then through your natural production of mucus, you're going to release these particles out of your head. And as you can see, you've still got some bacteria, yeast and molds and viruses in there. But again, you use the remedy 3 times a day. The next time you use it, the particles, you're breathing them in, they sit inside your head, killing off your parasites without damaging your immune system. And this is how it works. And within a couple of days, you'll find almost all of the parasites in your head come out with the mucus out of your system and gone. And that's it. You've managed to get rid of your sinus infection without damaging your immune system. You've killed all the parasites quite naturally. And if the parasites ever do come back, again, you can just breathe the plant extracts and the homeopathic remedy in and let the mucus take out the dead parasites. And that's it. Now, there is a link below the video. Have a look at this wonderful sinus infection remedy. You'll get rid of your sinus infection quicker than you ever believed.